the day. When life unravels, the job changes, bills pile up, the future feels uncertain, you start with one powerful move. Pull your credit report. It's not just about numbers on a page. It's a mirror showing exactly where to rebuild. You review every line, correct what's wrong, and make steady choices that restore your credibility and confidence. Each update, each on-time payment, each corrected detail moves you closer to stability. Rebuilding isn't about fighting. It's about clear, consistent action toward a stronger financial foundation.